phone and look at it.
Ooh, you got a good spot. Ooh, yeah, you get the whole old table. I get the whole new table. Let's put this.
What is that? A heater?
Yeah, propane heater.
Propane heater inside a building. That is dangerous as fuck.
Just gas.
Yeah, imagine running out of propane.
Alright, come on, Grandma. Oh my god! Put these in cap cup. I gotta say they're... Oh, no, stop! It lost most of its load.
Alright, go!
Alright, what are we doing?
Switching.
Hold on, wait! Dude, come on, let's just try it.
Alright, move out of the way so. Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Hey, it's going. Let's see.
It's zero. Hold on.
Well, technically. Wait, actually. Let's see if it go
Oh,
farther.
the coupling snapped.
Let's see if it go farther.
Alright, it's coming. Holy shit, that's quick.
Oh!
Wow.
You lost the ball.
It became a girl. Alright, I'm about to let it go. Do you have enough time? Alright, I'm gonna try following it around. Oh shit, panoramic view, bitch.
I gotta make it big. I gotta make it bigger.
Yeah, make a bigger jump, man. It's hard to go around. It's coming around. Oh! I am at 5:30. Why the fuck am I chasing this? Ah! Here for the... Oh my gosh, the battery came off. If it would. Hold on, you could send it to me and I'll edit it too. Actually, we both have CapCut. We'll both edit it.
I'm not really good at editing, but yeah.
I'm not the best, but I just go with whatever I think I would watch. I think that's gonna be it for this. Let's put it out of its misery.